proofing of the snakes. That needs to be done. That's the reason that on the wall I think you might have noticed it's getting chipped off because the water passes through the blocks.
Okay.
And that's why. But it's not a big deal. I think if you could ask the landlord to get it fixed, they'll fix it for you. In fact, he didn't realize this when we moved in. It's rubbing lens.
ಏನು ಅದೇನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
Indian gave a key. So we then complained to the landlord. We went to all that chicken. That's when he said
ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬಾರ್ದು.
we'll have to do it. Yeah.
And no clocks in the
That's the master. But this, the other bedroom, does not have a door.
ಗಾಳಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ ಗಾಳಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
How is it? And a waterproofing because of that and
ನೀವೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ನಾಲ್ಕು ನೀವು ಓಟ್
ಮೀಟರ್ ಫೋಟೋ
ಹಾಂ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ ಇದು ನೈಸ್ ರೋಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್